Today, I'm really excited because I'm cooking on this pontoon, and I'm going to cook you a tuna sambal matah with some fresh garden herbs as well in there. So first of all, I've got some beautiful tuna that I'm going to dice up, and we're just going to marinate the tuna in some wonderful lime juice. And we're using two types of limes here. We're going to use the Balinese lemon, which is here, and then also your ordinary normal lime. And this is going to just cure, and the acidity in it is going to cook for about 5 minutes. And we're just going to mix that through, add a little bit of salt in there. Now, what I do have for this dish is one of my favorites. I've got some really amazing vegetables that I got from the hinterlands of the Badung Regency. So I've got some watermelon radish that's actually red inside. I've got some normal radishes, and I've got some tomato tios, which are like Mexican tomatoes. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so grab some of these chilies that I've de-seeded, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of julienne. The trick is with this sambal matah is that you don't want to have your chilies too fine, because if you do, then they all kind of disintegrate and you get lost in the salad. So you still want your chilies to be quite visible. That's enough chili in there. Then we're going to slice some shallots. Important to cut this fairly fine as well. I'm also going to heat up some oil here. Okay, in the meantime, we're going to slice up some lemongrass. If it's too big, then it becomes kind of bitty in your mouth. And so you want it to be super fine. I've just already taken out the seeds of the tomato. It's going to cut it down. Again, this one's very important, that you have some nice ripe tomatoes in here. Grab some chilies. And again, it depends on how hot you want this. So it can be super hot or medium, but I always like my chilies spicy. I've been living in Indonesia for 14 years, so I'm kind of used to it now. What we've got here as well is some lovely shrimp paste. So this has been cooked out in a little bit of oil, and that is kind of like the main body of this dish that gives everything this wonderful seasoning. So it's going to mix that in here. I'm going to put some lemon in here. So it's going to add this on. There we go. Seared that nicely. And that's just going to cook the tomato slightly. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of our tomato tios here. It's going to do some nice slices in here because I still want very much a lot of the texture of this. Take my tuna. Let's have a taste. So, it's beautifully cooked. It's cooked on the outside, so it's got a bit of firm texture, and it's still super soft in the middle. Now we're going to add this into here. Yep. I'll mix that through. I'm going to add in some of my tomato tios. Look at that color in there as well. You can really see it pop. So let's have a taste. It's getting good, it's getting good. So let's just put this on here. Now what I'm also going to add on here is a little bit of our radishes. This is called a watermelon radish. It's just incredible to see the freshness of what people use here. Okay, I can put a little bit of sweet corn on here. There we go. And then we'll do a little bit of red radish. Great. So, put a little bit of fresh lemon basil in there. A little bit of fresh lime leaf on there. And then just sprinkle that over. And here we have our pontoon tuna ceviche, Balinese style. Oh, this is the life.